What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another TaoTronics product. This one is the BH026 Sports Wireless Earbuds. Now these ones are IPX6 rated, so they are splash proof or rain proof. They only weigh about a half an ounce, so they're very lightweight. They're running off of Bluetooth 4.2. They are magnetic, and off of a 2-hour charge, you're gonna get a full battery that'll give you about 9 hours of listening time. So that's pretty decent. That'll definitely get you through your workout. Now they're saying you're gonna get crisp voice calls with the CSV 6.0 noise cancellation microphone. All right. So we've got two little bags. We got a carrying bag and instructions. I don't need that. All right, so the carrying bag is this nice little, kind of like a little gym bag, little mesh bag just to keep them in. In this bag we have, whoa. Okay. So we have 2 extra ear cups and 2 extra ear hooks along with a cable clamp to stay organized and a very small USB to micro USB cable. First off, we got an inline control. You've got your negative, your power, and your plus. So I'm guessing the negative and plus are gonna second as volume and previous and next track. Then right here, you've got your, are you kidding? Come out. Your micro USB port for charging and the earbuds. You can tell that they've got an ergonomic curve. They're very discreet, very basic black. I like those little ear hooks, especially rubber. Uh-oh, I probably need the bigger ones. Yeah, these ones are a little too small for my ear holes. Oh, that's such a better seal too. Oh yeah, that's good. These are really good. Okay, cool. There we go, the TaoTronics TT BH026. It's got a very nice clear sound. Let's try bass. It's got a low rumble. Let's do a little bit of good mythical. Wow, very clear highs and mids. Really, really good vocals. Not experiencing any kind of latency. I'm gonna do a distance check. It has Bluetooth 4.2, so I'm expecting at least 30 feet. So here we go. Okay, cool. So I got about 32 to 33 feet and then I started cutting out. So that's as expected. Oh, back pocket test. It's good. Nothing. Still sounds clear as all get out. All right, let's make a phone call. What's up, girl? What you doing? Yeah, how do I sound? I sound good? Sounds like I'm just on the phone or what? Oh, cool. Yeah, you sound really clear too. And yeah, they weren't kidding. They said crisp phone calls. Oh, TaoTronics Valerie said, good job. I sound super clear. Okay, all right, well there you go. All around fantastic. Phone call was actually really clear. They weren't lying about the advertising. I gotta say, with the ergonomic curve, with the ear hooks and the very squishy ear cups, they're very comfortable. The highs and mids, they were super clear. Very, very clear. Rhett and Link sounded fantastic. Music sounded really lively. Very vivid audio. I'm gonna give them like an 8. They sound really, really, really clear, and especially on the phone, she sounded fantastic. Now the bass, I'm gonna give like a 5. It's something that I expected. It wasn't something that they advertise as like, you know, mind-blowing. You know how some people say like, amazing bass, and then there's like nothing? They didn't really mention the bass, but the bass that was there, it was very clear sounding. It doesn't have a lack of bass, so there's no shallow sound. So the 5 for the bass is not really a bad thing, unless you're only looking for something with like extreme, punchy, loud, very, very dominant bass. These don't have that, but they have very good bass. For this price range, I would say that they're definitely well worth the 25 bucks, or again, if you have Prime, it's like $19. They do come in 4 different colors. You've got black, you've got blue, you've got a white and pink, and then you have a red. Definitely worth checking out, but again, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. But as for now, get out of here.